Hello everyone, welcome back to ECUteam channel. Today we have a 2016 Prius V. And it got a maintenance light on the display. So once you start on the car, you'll see that there is a Prius V sign. Right after that you'll get a maintenance required sign. You will see that little back arrow like a U-turn shape. You can press that on the wheel and then it will disappear, but if you will start the car on again the next time, it will come back, just like shown in the video, like that. So what do you need to do to get rid of this maintenance required completely? First of all, you want to click back on the back button again, and then use the menu, which is located up there. Okay, you can control the menu using these 5 buttons that are on the wheel, and you want to go down to the settings. Press on the circle, which is right there in the middle. Then you want to go into the maintenance system. Once you're in the maintenance system, it will ask you, do you want to initialize? And then you just press on yes. And then initialization is completed. So let's turn the car off and then back on again and see if the light will be back. And it's not. That's it. It's a short video, but maybe for some people out there who drives a Prius, this will be useful. So take that in consideration and enjoy. Thank you.